What is good, guys? If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tonight we are going to be taking my C43 coupe downtown Toronto. Basically going to be cruising the Sports Plus through the streets. This thing is highly underrated. Just watch till the end to catch some crazy clips and some crazy pulls through the city streets and tunnels. Okay, I want you guys to guess what new modification I've added to this car. From the looks of it, if you guys have watched my other videos, you would know that I've added something new, and it's completely transformed how this car feels and how this car drives. Okay, I have a question for you guys watching, okay? Do you guys want me to... Just one sec. Do you guys want me to upgrade the interior lighting in this? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Difficult downtown behavior. Damn, what's going on? If you guys like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, share, and also just drop a comment. Let me know what modification to add to my C43 next. I also have a big surprise coming up for you guys, so make sure you turn on your notification bell and stay up to date with my latest content. Find a way to get off of this highway, because bro. turn here clearly. Y'all don't have to take that risk for you guys, huh? Woo! Gotta do that again, though. Let's try that again. Huh? See if we can turn around here. These brakes are good. Every time, bro. Every time. Should be good though.